Second standard children, today I are going to study English. In that you are going to study Unit 4, a real patriot. Do you know who is a real patriot, children? A person who loves the country. We too are loving our India, no children? So we are a patriotic children. Okay. Three men were cutting stone at the factory side. How many people were cutting, children? Three people, children. A wise man who was observing them for a long time. A man was totally observing these three men, children. What they were doing? They were cutting the stone. Felt that all of them were committed workers, and he understood these are the workers. He wanted to know if all the three had the same ideas. He went to the first workers and asked him. He went to this first person. What are you doing, my friend? The disturbed the workers answered. Can't you see? Said the man. I am cutting the stones. When he went and asked that, what are you doing? Can't you see that I am doing the work? What work? Cutting of the stones. Then again he asked, wise man, why are you doing it? The man patiently said, the contractor asked me to do, so I get money for this. The contractor had told me to do this work and I'll get the money here. I see. You work for the wages. Then you are working for the wages. Next. Later the wise man went to the second man and asked, why are you cutting the stones, friend? Then he went to the second person and asked, and for what purpose you are cutting the stones? The second man answered, to earn a living. If I earn, I can look after my family. Because I have come to work here means because if I earn only, I can look to my family well. I have a big family to care for and my wife is sick. I too have a family and my wife is more sick, and for that purpose I am working here. There was no enthusiasm in what he said. You mean you do this for the sake of your family? So I think so. You have been doing the work for yourself, for your family. Finally, expecting a similar reaction, he went to the third man and asked him, hello, friend, what are you doing? The man replied with a smile, sir, I am working for my country. The third person answer was different only, children. What? That he was working for the country. For you, for your country. How can it be? For your country, he asked. How it can be? See, our government is building a factory here. So I am working that government was doing one factory here. Many people get job. If a factory is there means many people get the jobs here. It means that their children will be educated. If the people are going to the factory, their children will be educated and they will be our youth here. And so for that purpose I have come to work here. Who was telling this, children? Third person.